This man called Okpebhole. In fact, it's just a pity. Just hear what he said here. With all the things happening in Edo State, this is what he could come up with.
We will not succumb to blackmail. Because what they are doing now is that they will go and kidnap people just because they want to discourage Mr. President. Because Mr. President is resolute. They are kidnapping people for somebody who wants to win an election. It's not fair. They did this to Bulldog and they succeeded, but we have known their truth already.
The voice of ignorance, the voice of cluelessness, the voice of obliviousness, the voice of unawareness, the voice of nescience, the voice of in the dark, in a fog, mystified, perplexed, out of touch, dense, thick, the voice of Okpebhole, the voice of dunceness, ineptitude. Stop talking, Okpebhole, stop talking. You are talking, your brain is not engaging your mouth. Who are the day? Is it not the same thing? Who benefited? Who were the sole beneficiaries of the kidnappings that they used in removing Jonathan? Your party, the APC. Tinubu master, because he was the one that went to bring Buhari and said, I have a strategy. Buhari had retired in case you are not aware. You carry back follow and then that time, so we will tell you the truth. Buhari had, after the 2011 elections, Buhari used his mouth to say he is retired from active politics and he will never contest again. Now your Tinubu go bring and say, no worry, I have his scripts. You don't know. You don't know now. How you gonna know? You are raw. You are green. Green horn. Small picking in politics. Small picking in awareness. Women wine. Talking here and talk. Embarrassing the state. Have you ever heard someone who say this nonsense you just said now? You never hear them before. When you will pour spit for your head. Your brain now pour spit. Tell this man to stop talking. I don't know why. No, I'm not the first to carry microphone at every point. They what the day, sir. I will call you sir. That's the discipline. That's the person in me that is respectful. But in reality, you are a dunce. You have no relationship with awareness. No connection with light. You are a distant path with common sense. Write this down. Now what I want you to do. Sue me to court if you think it. Let's go and test your brain. Let's go and test your brain to see if you are aware. I've never seen somebody so unfamiliar with reality. But you are first to talk at any given time. They did this. Because you are fair. You, Okpebhole. The state that you are in, look at the story trending. It happened in Edo State. In Algeria, kidnappers are having a free day. Kidnappers have time to count money to say, mark complete. When kidnapping started years ago, they will have the kidnapped victim in a bush, maybe let's say in Kogi, for example. That's the headquarters. They will ask that the family that want to pay the kidnap ransom go to Sapele. They will have a syndicate that will be collecting the money in Sapele. So when they are done, you will now hear that your kidnapped victim will now call from a village around Kogi and say he is coming. Sometimes you will send vehicle, or sometimes the person can come. I have also been times where they say kidnap victim, they come as a kidnap him again. We've also heard that. But now, these guys are now doing this with impunity in your own state to the point that kidnappers come with the victim to the location and have time to say we release one, we keep one will count money. You should be ashamed of yourself as a governor. You want to turn all of that into an aspect that people are sabotaging the government when you are failing to do the right thing. People are slapping your government. You are going on Facebook Live and one threatening a critic to say, I will deal with this person. You are that jobless and useless. You are the one not talking like this and opening your mouth and say it is people. If the people around you cannot stop you from getting on the microphone, we will continue to embarrass and insult you like this. You need to stop talking and embarrassing our state. Get inside and keep your mouth shut. What is happening, Seth? Well, Shari, every small opportunity, don't pick up microphone. And there is nothing sensible you're ever going to say. But maybe there's a sabotage to be exposing your weakness every single time. I can agree. Because when I watched that interview with this guy from TVC, that guy had to drop his intellectual conversations, his kind of interviews to your level. You see how slow, very unpacey conversation. How he was asking very pedestrian and shallow questions. He had to come to your level. He will not tell you about this. I mean, that person can tell you. They also expected your media team to have halted that interview. It wasn't live, it was recorded. There was no reason that interview should have been out in the first place. But I've been told you are very cocky. As ignorant as you are, it is what you want. You don't care whether it is smart enough. You don't care whether it is good. You are the one that give the final instruction. You don't listen to people. That's why I say you don't have consultant, you don't have advisor. There's nobody that is your advisor's list that advises you. Whatever you say. That's why you are putting yourself in trouble. Listen to your people. They want to help you. Stop talking. Stop talking, sir. And when you talk, allow them watch a video. There are some videos that should not go out again.
We will not succumb to blackmail.
So all the things happening in Edo State now, so he sees it as a blackmail. So that's why he's not perturbed. He's not bothered. He's not bothered at all. This one, no wonder they call him this seven governor, because this way, the way the way he talks, the way he does things, that's why they say they should just stop giving him microphone. Edo people don't enter. Even if you are talking about people with a bad character, people with corruption, people who don't even have the interest of the people at heart, that one is what Nigerians have been dealing with. But somebody who you can't get sense, this guy call and say na dance. Exactly. Not to even bring somebody where we say, not even with everything, he just combined together. No intellectual this thing, charisma, nothing. When he talks, you know say no, this one no be him at all. You know say no be him at all. Can you imagine with all the things happening? So he sees it as a blackmail against Tinubu. And the question is that who are the people? Say we, those people. Who are those? Who are those people? The same Tinubu that you are talking about, you are fighting for, is the same Tinubu with a Aerofire, with a Buhari, that they worked against Jonathan. Who are the people that worked against Jonathan? They succeeded. He didn't know. I don't even know how to put it, that it was the same Tinubu that is talking about that they are blackmailing the insecurity in Edo State is as a blackmail against Tinubu. This people matter, it go far. It go really go far. Where would they start? Where will those people start from? Somebody who is not articulated? Now wow, Oshomole do this one.